In this procedure, we will be inspecting and replacing the valve coil on a Power Gear motorized hydraulic leveling system. The tools required for this procedure are 2 wires, a screwdriver, and a drill battery.
You can unscrew this top plastic cap, remove the coil from the valve. To test the coil, you'll begin by inserting a screwdriver into the center of this coil. You'll take some wires and insert them into the terminals of the battery. One side will always be positive. Being careful with these wires, make sure that they don't touch. The other side negative. And then when you insert these wires into the wire harness of this coil, it should activate that coil and hold on to the screwdriver. Make sure you disconnect your wires from that battery. And now that we tested the coil, we know that it's not the coil that's malfunctioning, and we need to check the valve for any blockage. And then reinstall the coil. Plastic cap is not orderable on its own, so if you lose it, you will have to order a whole new leg valve system.